Okay, y'all, so this is the side door, what they call it, right here. So I'm gonna show y'all from here, right? Okay. So when you come in, you see this, the kitchen. I don't know what this area is, but when you come to the left, you will see a storage room. It's pretty big. Then here, the next door is, I'm guessing, a pantry. Okay. Then to the right, it's another little closet. I'm guessing this is for like brooms and stuff like that. And this area, I'm probably gonna put a deep freezer here. My mama told me to get one of those. This could be the dining room, but no. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Doesn't come with a microwave. Basic little kitchen. We're gonna go this way. Comes with a dishwasher, garbage disposal, all that. This, I think, is a dining room area. It's a nice little space. This is outside. I do not have a fence. And then, so I'm standing in the dining room, and this will be the living room area. It's pretty decent size. I cannot complain because I am on post. So yeah, this is a little outdated, but you know. Then leaving the living room, here is more storage. Probably like a coat closet. And then this is the half bath. Yes, this looks just like a barracks room, but I can make it work. So coming on around, this is just that. And this is what they call the front door. I'm gonna show you all their stuff, but yeah. And here's the door to close the kitchen off. I just turned the AC on, y'all, and it feels good already. But yeah, going upstairs. This is a nice little mirror. Come around. So when you get up the steps, the first thing you'll see is the bathroom, this room, this room. So we'll just go left. This is one of the second bedrooms. It's pretty decent. Bigger than, I think it was bigger than my last closet. We'll go out of that bedroom, come into the other bedroom. This closet is a little bit bigger than the other one, I think. My son might want this one. Then coming out of that room to the main bathroom upstairs with cabinets, one sink, medicine closet, cabinet, my bad. Medicine cabinet. So that basic little tub, towel rack. From that bathroom, here is the linen closet. Come on around to the big laundry room. It does not come with a washer and dryer, but this is pretty big. extra storage up there. Has this little area, I don't know what's gonna go here, but yeah. And then this is what they consider the master bedroom. This is plenty of space for me. So let's start with my bathroom first. It's one sink, one mirror. I think this is also, yes, medicine cabinet. I need more lighting in here because that's not gonna do. Basic, you know, everything like that. Yeah. Towel rack. Decent, I can make it work. I can definitely make this work. And I won't have to worry about different payments coming out, only the internet, TV, cable. Oh, well, yeah. Does not have a walk-in closet, but that is okay because there is a lot of storage in this house. I signed a 1-year lease and it's gonna be straight, like. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go downstairs, get some of the stuff out of my car, put it in here, go to my appointment. I have to get my CAC renewed. Then I'm gonna go to the storage unit and just start bringing stuff back. So yeah, y'all. Hope you guys enjoy the empty house tour. I will show y'all what it looks like when it's finished. Peace.